chat. I think we're cooked. Are we cooked, chat? Are we genuinely cooked, chat? Chat, I think we're cooked, chat. Chat, we're cooked. We're cooked, chat. Chat, we're cooked. Do not come to North Carolina. It's actually insane here. After Hurricane Katrina. Was it Hurricane Hurricane Helene. I'm so dumb, bro. Hurricane Helene and now Hurricane Milton. I think we actually might be having another hurricane, chat. Look, we're cooked, chat. Do not come to North Carolina. We're actually cooked. This is insane. Even that thing blew over right there. But yeah, oh, there's my papa.